After this, we are going to go look at a house. It's not bad, but I never want to be that person that's like, no, it changed my whole drink. Out of there. Go get it, Mara. Go get it, Mara. Pick it up. Atta girl. This seems like it'll be better. We're pulling into Dunkin' Donuts right now. It's Saturday morning, the 17th or 17th, I think. And I've got the kids hanging out with me. Russell's out of town. He's got a golf thing today. And, yeah, I clearly am a little bit tired. I'm gonna stop. I need some coffee. Dunkin' Donuts. I've got to take a medication this morning, and I don't have anything in here that I can drink. Well, I could drink this, but it is like a week old, so I don't want to do that. Disgusting. That was from the other day when I got a coffee, and it was trash. And typically I can like power through. Could not power through that one. It was disgusting. So I need to take my medication. I don't. Oh, there it is. I'm getting it out to make sure that I take it right when I get my drink, because I don't want to forget. After this, we are going to go look at a house, a rental house, but a house nonetheless. So we're gonna go and look. It's probably like double the size of the house I live in now. Maybe not double, but it's bigger. 4 bedrooms.
Double?
So that would mean all the kids would have their own bedroom. It's like one of those neighborhoods where like it's kind of like the houses kind of all look the same and blah, 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 whatever, which, not necessarily that I love that, but for right now and the kids' age, if there's like any other kids in the neighborhood, it's very easy to like sit out front and like watch them, you know, if they wanted to go play in somebody else's driveway, it's like very easy to see everybody's driveways just like face the same way, and it's kind of like the same setup at every house. It's one of those cookie cutter type of neighborhoods, but we'll see. It's way more expensive. I don't know, I'm a little nervous about it. I'm just trying to like feel it out and see like, is this what I'm supposed to be doing or not? Still a lot of changes going on. I feel like just currently everything is up in the air.
I feel like we're in God.
What?
I feel like we're in God. I'm in heaven.
You feel like we're in God?
I'm in heaven.
You feel like we're in heaven?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's awesome. Yeah.
Tell me, what do you mean? You feel like we're in heaven because it's awesome?
Yeah. Some people say it's like heaven.
Oh.
When it's awesome.
Because you're excited to look at this house?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I get a maple sugar bacon breakfast sandwich?
On a croissant?
Yes, please. And then can I also get 2 old-fashioned donuts?
I do apologize. We actually don't have any in.
Do you have blueberry?
Yes.
Okay, I'll have 2 blueberry. And then you said
Alright.
a chocolate croissant? And then French cruller. And then a chocolate croissant.
Hey guys, look at anything.
Let me make sure we have those.
Okay.
I apologize. We actually don't have any in.
Oh no. Okay, sissy. Mara, they don't have chocolate croissant. You just want a donut? Just double chocolate donut? Or maple frosted?
Double chocolate.
Do you have a double chocolate donut?
Yes.
Okay, I'll have one of those then instead. And
Alright.
then a large cold brew with cold foam. And then caramel. And maybe a little bit of cream.
All right.
And that'll be it. I hope.
Okay. 15 exact will be your total.
Thank you.
Nope.
Thank you. I don't need a straw. Thanks. You too. All right. Donuts. I'll get them to you in just a second. Yeah. So, I don't know if you heard that, but they were out of regular cold foam. And I really didn't want to say, yeah, I'll take the pumpkin. Sure. But it's okay. I'm really not that picky, but lately, if I've gotten their cold foam, I think they're just shooting it through the top these days. Literally tastes like pumpkin pie. But that's okay. I don't love it because it's not, the pumpkin's not as sweet as the other kind. Mar, do you want to divvy these out to the boys? Yeah, I don't like the spiciness of it. Or Jay's gonna give you your donut, sweetie. It's not bad, but I never want to be that person that's like, no, it changed my whole drink. I probably could have done it without the foam at all, but I got a French cruller. If you don't eat French crullers, they are the shit. They're so good. This one kind of looks a little ugly, but they're so good. I don't know what's considered like, it's not like your typical donut. Like the inside of it is like kind of hollow. It's like a pastry, puff pastry. No, not, I don't know what a puff pastry is, let me be wrong. But then I get the sandwich, maple sugar, but oh my God. So the sandwich is supposed to come with white cheddar, and every once in a while, they throw on this piece of shit yellow cheese. And it always irks my nerves. Like, it makes me so upset. It's all good. I'm still eating, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I hate the yellow cheese. I don't mind it, but like in regular life, I don't mind it. But when I'm supposed to have white cheddar, it's literally advertised with white cheddar. Like, it literally says that. It friggin' makes me mad. But it's fine. It's food. It's okay. We're gonna get going. So yeah, I won't show you. People still live in this house, so I probably, I will not be showing the inside of it or anything. But, or the outside, for that matter. But I'll let you know how I feel about it afterward. I'm very on the fence about it, because it is more expensive. It's way big. It's in a whole different area. I'm trying my best not to be in a rush to do something, to move or do anything, but it's hard when you're renting and something pops up that you're like, oh my gosh, this is like as perfect as we could get at this moment, and you just don't know if a rental is going to pop up anytime soon. Like, it could be freaking months and months before we find something again that will accept pets, that has enough space. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I gotta focus on other things. Get ready, sis.
Grab it, Mara.
Grab it, Mara. Grab it.
Get in there, Blue. Get in there, Blue.
Keep it going that way.
Go.
Mara, grab it.
Grab it, Mara. Grab it, Mara.
Grab it, Mara. Okay. Yes. Got a girl. Can you get it out of there, Harper? Get it out of there, Harper. Grab it, Mara. Oh. How you feel, sis? Sissy? Good? Go ahead. Kai, come on. Holy smokes. This house is a mess. A mess. Okay, this house is trashed. I don't know if you can see me or not. Where I am. I got something from Starbucks that I've never gotten before. A tea lemonade, green tea lemonade, and come on, buddy. It's not very sweet at all. I kind of want to add a little bit of something to it, and we have lemonade. We have lemonade mix, so I think I'm gonna put a little bit of lemonade mix into it. Let me move you back. My house is such a mess, so you can see, like, I don't know if you can see everything in front of you here. It is trashed, so I'm gonna add a little bit of lemonade in here. Okay. It's all good, girl.
Mine to your mouth.
Hey. Just gonna put a little bit in there, like that much.
Mommy, can I hold it for you?
I don't need you to hold it right now.
Please.
What's going on with this lid? You can go out and make sure Kakai's okay.
Yay.
Okay, I didn't even put that much in it. I feel like that's enough. And then, so it's just great value lemonade, but man, it's so much better than country crock or whatever. Countryside. Kai, come inside, baby. Do you guys want to play outside for a little bit? Okay, we're gonna play outside for a little bit, actually. Jay, we're gonna go play outside. I gotta change my shirt though, because it was so freaking hot. You want lemonade? Okay, I guess I'm making lemonade for everybody. All right, I'll make you some lemonade. Whenever we come outside and the kids are just like chilling and I don't want to play with them, this is my spot. I just sit in it like this and lay back. It's amazing. I'd prefer like a hammock or maybe a bigger saucer, but this is great. Where'd JJ go? Jay, oh there you are. Still over there? Whee! We're both swimming. You wave at me? Hi, can you wave? Hi. Oh, Susie. Oh. Friends, this is my favorite scene. Oh.
I can like do this so he can go up and I go up. No,
Jay Allen. We're home now.
God, can you help me?
Yep, we've been home for a while, right? Played outside. You guys saw that, I guess. But
can I sit?
just check out. Boys, don't hit each other. Check this divine space out. Just look at the mess we're living in at the moment. And I feel paralyzed to like start.
Peace out.
Kai, that's your milk that's spilled over. Dollar Tree toothbrushes, and the kids have figured when you turn them on, Kai, and you set them down, they spin in circles. Look at this. So at least they're playing with toothbrushes, whether they're brushing their teeth or not. There we go. This will be clean, hopefully soon. What's that? What the hell is that?
Wait, I will watch something.
What is that?
I want you guys to watch.
Oh, it's chocolate. Oh my God, thank God it's chocolate. I did not lick it, I sniffed it. I just gave Ross or Kaya Reese's.
Watch this.
So happy to be with me? You look terrified.
Sorry about that. Go ahead.